Oh!
I've been moving calm, don't start no trouble with me.
Let's go!
Keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cuddle.
Hey!
You know how I like it when you loving on me. I don't wanna die for them to miss me.
Hey!
Yes, I see the things that they wish.
Let's go! Oh!
Got some brothers that outlive me.
Hey, welcome to the show! Say nah. Welcome, cousins. I am your cousin T, addict to invest on IG. Help you figure out this financial mess. This week was the craziest week I ever had in my 12 years of trading. It's like this was the craziest week ever. Alright, if you here, welcome to the one and the only Stock Moolah 2K5 on Twitter X. I am one of the best. And we're gonna get straight to it. Straight to it, cousins.
Bad things.
Oh.
A lot of bad things that they wish.
Yo, welcome to my stream on stock news and trade ideas. It's content for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice.
She say, do you love me? I tell her
What?
only partly.
I only
love
love
my bed
and my mama. I'm sorry. Oh, hey, get it. I had it. Know me. Hey, OG dog. Know me. Oh, hey. Oh, God plan. Hey, was like, nah, all right, it does not constitute financial advice. I am not a licensed financial advisor under the U.S. Advisors Act of 1940 and any other regulations. That's a disclaimer. Just what I'm trying to tell you is, like, I'm not doing call outs. That's not what we doing. I'm teaching you how to trade. You learn and you earn. We plan to trade. We trade the plan. And y'all know what I'm going to say. And we get paid. Now tap in. What you're going to need is that trading chart program. Trading view. Holla at me. We got to get straight to it. I know y'all waiting for it. What's going on, cousin? Oh. Hey. Let's go. Hey. First thing we do, you know, we look at, say nah, you already know what we do. The first thing we do, we gotta go, why am I over there? I don't like myself over there. I like myself over here. Like, you feel me? Alright, y'all see me? Alright, good. It look weird. So, first thing you do, I tell you every time, you need certain tools. It's your first time here, cousin. I'm gonna tell you everything you need. You better click on the link in the chat. The chat, if you watch it, you better light it up. And I don't know why I can't see it, but it's okay. Still light that shit up. Let them know how we do. First thing first, we don't rush into shit. Alright? Stocks fall as Wall Street wraps up for the wildest weeks ever. That's crazy. Yo, I ain't see this. Yo, why they taking my... Yo, CNBC, now you gotta pay me, bro. Now you gotta pay me, bro. Yo, CNBC, holla at me. Y'all just holla at me. Because I already know what's going on. And I was trying to tell people in my group, I'm like, man, you gotta... And what's crazy is nobody cares about CPI. So next thing you need, we need the trading view. Trading view, you go ahead, it's gonna be right here at the top. Oh shoot, I ain't trading view, that's books. Right here. And what we do with trading view, SPY, SPY went like that. Why am I talking? No, SPY didn't do that. SPY went like that. SPY didn't do that. SPY didn't do that. SPY dropped like $3 already. Like, get the fuck out of here. But it's still up and down. And I have not charted nothing. So if you're new here, what we do is we look at the chart. And there's certain things we look at when it comes towards SPY. And what's crazy was SPY was up. I wonder if Donnie see this. So let me. Oh. See, I wanted Mikey. When I say Mikey, I mean Microsoft. But it's going to chop. So not only do we use trading view, but when we use trading view, SPY, the way it moves. You feel me? So right now, the market's only been open 5 minutes. Calm your horses. But it is down. And thank God I ain't get no call. I told motherfuckers. Can't call it. Because it was just up. That man do a tweet. It's over. So for it to continue to go down, we need... So that's what I'm saying. So this is the good thing about learning how to trade, spy, whatever. Anybody that would have got yesterday's contract... Anybody yesterday would have got tomorrow's contract and getting a call and done. Finito. My thing is, I'm trying to see if we're gonna drop on this hoe. But we gonna drop. We already know. But this is my thing. Microsoft. Is Microsoft gonna drop? So what we do is we look at sectors. But this is the thing. This is only gonna show me. So Microsoft was already dropping. What I mean by Microsoft technology, so this SPDR app, sorry. If you new here, you go to the App Store, you literally put SPDR app. Oh, and I feel like Microsoft gonna drop. And you see it right there, you hit open. And I feel like they gonna drop, then let's drop this hoe. So Microsoft, I feel like Techie, because this is my thing, Techie's moving. So Techie's gonna move like we needed to move. Why? But we can't see that right now, y'all, because it's not gonna update to 9:45. I forgot. So we can't see it. Let me go back. Sorry. So this is what it was as of yesterday. All right, everything was red. You feel me? Like everything was down. And I'm trying to get Techie, and in technology with Apple, Microsoft. So I'm feeling like they gonna go down. Then. It's Lotto Friday, where this is very volatile, very going against my rules. If you get in something, you gotta get in something, because the way what's the damn thing called? The contracts, they end today. So it's like a 0 day, without being a 0 day, we just call it. It's a crazy thing ever, but I guess you would call it a 0 day because it ends today, but it ain't really a 0 day. It's a weekly or whatever, but. You kind of want to see, because that's a 1 minute, so you got a little bit too much noise on that. What is it trying to do? Okay, so I made sure I want to make sure that was the previous daily high, y'all. Give me a second. It wants the previous daily. Oh, it wants 383 to get us to 386, but it's only 8 minutes, because I don't know. Because if we drop that whole. I kind of, wait, that's too, that's a, see, you want to be on the 3, you gotta, if we drop it, we gotta be on the 380.19, if we drop, cause if we go, up past this, hey, go, I need you to know, but this is a 5 minute move, hold up, so. And it's only 5 minutes in the market, man. Give me a thing. But I'm saying that it's either one way. It's going to go up or it's going to go down. We understand that. But my thing is, if we goes up and you're looking at your wick, this is live. So that 283, 38. But it's so... yeah, I'm trying to tell them I don't play with J. Oh, now this is the thing, it's spy going. You gotta know. No. And what we doing, we putting these lines. Once again, if you don't know about the lines, you ain't look at the video. People that's here know they be looking at the videos. So, yesterday, what we caught in the Discord was the move all the way from like right here to like right here. Like we caught that. That was like a 200% move. And this was chop. Now, this was all yesterday. Doing, so this is like, the thing tells a story. And you could understand it because you at least visit the chart. People that don't visit the chart can't understand it. What song is this? Oh. You know, I don't be doing that R&B. We got me. We gonna rock. And that should be making up the move. Yeah. See. It's fucking up the mood. All that, the money, that's fucking up. Like, it's fucking up my mood. I can't play with that. I can't. What I'm gonna do with that? I'm gonna do that. I can't do nothing with that. Swallow. Gobble. None of that damn songs make sense. Like, I'm gonna just keep it 100. I mean, it's a gobble. No man should be saying gobble. Pause. But what do I know? You know what I'm saying? So this gonna be a move. Whenever this move, cause the candle, like I'm telling you, if we keep consolidating up and down chop, you see it. It's undecisiveness. They don't know what to do with this. He's probably trying to make some calls now, like, cheater. But see, this is my thing. We got like 3 minutes. I'll give me an update to figure out what's going on in that SPD or at. But when we look at VIX, because when we look at like the smaller time frame, you got a supply that opened on that 5. But it's gonna go right back up because look at this, it's going up and down. And that's what I was saying, like, now I ain't gonna lie, I did think like we were gonna get the move, thank God. We didn't get the move overnight. Cause I thought, cause this is the thing, the more we consolidate, the more we chop, the bigger the move gonna be. Whenever it moves. I just don't wanna miss that move. I don't wanna get it all. You already know. Now what Microsoft doing? I need to know. Microsoft moving or is it gonna go up and down? What's Microsoft doing? Damn! You can't make this shit up. I can't make this shit up. But my thing is, it was going for the previous daily high. I should have marked that shit. And they tried. The wick hit. So it's about, I said, what's it at? 280, 389. And they already hit to the 384. It's going to, oh shit. Yo, that 390 call. It's like 106. The man was hit. 107, man. 88. Say 888. Say 8. Now this is the thing. The plan is, like, you better be like, come on, like I'm not. What we're teaching is based on the demand. All right, the 390 call, the April 11th. All right, today, a Lotto Friday, teaching you how to do a Lotto Friday, letting you know that the volume on that hoe is crazy. All right, crazy. Now you may want to wait to see if it gets over 384, but don't you sleep on that. I'm telling you right now. Yeah. Now that's the plan. If it hits over 384, this is a lotto. So this is why like time matters on this. Like this is what like Friday lottos. But my thing is, I seen it at 107, 108. That's how I remember. Like, all right, boom. This was like 107, 108. Boom. Like I'm like that right there. I need an over 384. over 380 and hold over 384. Y'all understand what I'm trying to say? Hold over 384. I don't need it touching 384 and coming back down. I don't need it touching 380 or 410. I need it over. Like, it's understanding that it's over 384. Let's not play this. Let's be true to this. But the hey. Y'all see it right self. Y'all see it right self. What am I doing? I'm telling you it's money roll. I'm telling you. Let go. The rush. And then it's trying to go hit. That wick went 386.57. I don't know about you. 380. Oh. Now this is my thing. We gotta hold on. Like I told y'all about that 390. I told y'all about that 390. Stop playing. I told y'all about that 390 with Micah Sophie. Now with that spy my night mean to do what they wanna do. Spy literally just went crazy just now.
Ralph Simmons cost me 5 slips. That go yard bag another 5 strip. You in Detroit and see a Rafe, nigga, that's my shit. Would've pushed Rico shit back.
I just went. I don't know if this spike is gonna be another spike. It's gonna come down. But you gotta.
If anybody play with me, it's numbers on their head. We ain't gonna talk about it though.
Cause that Micah Sophie.
Address I can see you that. So if my label drop me, I can still look like I rap. Know a couple niggas living like they got platinum plaques. All they doing is catching bags.
Hey, hold up. Let me go back to Micah Sophie.
Rose Prezi on my wrist, I can afford that. Back in the day, I couldn't.
See, for me, it was a fair value gap, but the man, like, what makes you, like, for people to understand this, and we looking at the Wit X. Let me move this out y'all way. Hold up. Let me move that y'all way. Let me move this one out there. Come on, man. Ah, get that out. Now, if you miss, now this is the thing. You have to get over 380. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, 384 was the catch. Like, now it's going to 385. The catch is going to get to 386.57. Now, at the same time, shit, people that got inspired. Oh my god. Oh my fucking god. Catch y'all bees. I can't. Too much shit going on. Catch the bees. Catch the bees. I can't look at, yo, I gotta get on this other shit, bro. The fact that I don't have this laptop for about a week now is fucking crazy. Now the next thing is, are we getting over 385.32? And but we get back over 385. Do not fucking chase. So Lotto. How much am I up? I got a shitty feel. They fucking got me at a shitty. I hate Robin Hood. You fucking fucking bitch. I'm only up 18%. So I don't know about nobody else. I'm being honest. Because I got in at once. I don't know why the fuck they got me in at 116. I was fucking this motherfucker at 108. That's like $8 more. So what a fill means is that you have to understand you're not probably gonna get filled at right. You want to get filled at. And I promise you, if you don't get over. Now it's like 10%. Now it's 6. I'm being honest. Don't chase. This is some shit I don't like. Lotto Friday. Now we back at 14. See, it's 10 o'clock too. Ooh. Let's go. Hey. My thing is, it's Friday. They don't want the spot to go down. Well, they want the spot to go down. Let me know, Cole. What? What? And that's what I'm saying. Like, what? And then of course, if you knew, you have to look at VIX. Cause VIX, I gotta turn this. On lines, giving me headaches. Okay, do it. That's what I'm saying. We may go up and down. Look at VIX, up and down. Yep. Laying out your pre-tool. Yesterday's high for VIX yesterday's low was 34.98. The high for yesterday. We come across the first 30 minutes at 10 o'clock, of course. I think we got data coming out too at 10. China hikes tariffs on U.S. goods to 125. Says won't respond to more U.S. levies. Oh shit. Damn, this Microsoft. Oh, fucking. So this is how I do with Microsoft. Or if you didn't get in, do not chase, don't get in. Like, please. Like, if you're just coming in the stream, welcome, cousins. If you late, just be great. Cause we could get chopped. But on the flip side, for Microsoft, but if we gotta go down. Damn, I should have got my 20. I'm about to get out. So when it's the same day for me, my tolerance, I get out 10%. I don't give 10 shits. So this is like, well, maybe 15 sometimes. But if I'm trying to get to the downside, probably like the 383. Yeah. So yeah, I mean, cause so this is a perfect example. I should have, the thing didn't feel me, so I probably would have been in a little bit more. If Robin Hood would have filled my ass, right? Damn, I'm fucking old. See, I'm literally at break even. That's nothing but Jesus trying to tell me something. They take your money out, motherfucker. You ain't gotta tell me twice. I had break even, and I'm gonna take it out. See, see, that would have been a quick. If I would have got filled that on an 8. But see, this is the thing. I'm looking at the 1 hour just because the candle. But I know the hour's not till 10:30. At least the candlestick don't end till 10:30. So, because at 386.57. Now we can look at SPDR. Because they don't update to 945. Oh, this day is 938. So when did 938 come in? Hey, cool. What we playing? So this is our technology right here, right? You see it went from 56 to 23. 0.56. So I think if you want to get it, we get to 1, 2, whatever. And I feel like SPY. Because what's going to happen is Microsoft goes up, SPY going up. Well, vice versa. SPY going up, Microsoft going up. Because it's like SPY runs like the family, that makes sense. SPY happens to be like your big cousin, you know? See, technology is going up and down. I mean, technology that's just stupid. See, the moves, I hate what he just did on Wednesday. What's that, Wednesday he did that shit? Thursday, whenever he did that shit. Wednesday. So now he's moved, like he don't realize he's fucking up the moves on the market. Oh, man. Yeah, no. He fucking up the moves, but he's not fucking up. It's weird. It's a weird thing. On the moves, I feel like the premiums are fucked up. For sure. Oh, yo. Microsoft trying to. So you got that, what's this thing called? Let me see, what's this thing called? So what's Spy doing? See, Spy's trying to get, but see, it ain't gonna be, that's why the back and forth, because with Spy is going, so understand your chart. So we always go from a bigger time frame to a smaller time frame, in my opinion. So if you go from, oh shit. Sweet. But understand, like, what you're looking at, the day is not over, of course. So you see that, of course, you got 6 more, like, it just started the trading session at 9:30. So I'll just go from daily, 4 hour, 3 hour. Do you not see the up and down? 2 hour, 1 hour. It's like up. One moment you got some candlesticks down, the next moment you got some up, down. You go to 45. Sometimes I'll skip looking at 45 and just go to 30. 15, then you go to 10, 5. So, Spy is trying to go up to where it went to yesterday. Trying. Barely. Because sellers are like, and then it's Friday, like, so far, which is crazy. Because this is supposed to be like the most active time of the day. But they do be like, it's Friday, I'm out. They be like, I'm out. See you when I see you. Gotta go. When I say they, I'm talking about the big wigs, the investors. Man. So this is Friday. Especially on Friday, you don't like, you. So you just see me with Microsoft. It had 20%. I couldn't get it out. First of all, I got filled as wrong. Like, nigga, why I got filled wrong? I don't understand. But at the same time, I'm like, because really, I seen it, and I'm thinking I'm getting filled here. I didn't get filled to like here, so I only got a 20% move. And when it broke even, I'm like, fuck it. Fuck it. Fuck it. And I can understand why, because it's going to, like, right here is the resistance. I just got it yellow. Let me get red. So, that would make sense. So, now my plan, because it went past the previous daily high, but I would love, so, when they go ahead and plan for an entry, that's why I say look at your V's. The demand, like, after 3, 1, 2, 3. Here, wait, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so, like, right somewhere like here. And you would have got it all the way, so you would have been in from 381, 82, 82, 83, 83, 84, 85. You feel me? So, that's like a quick, so, do Fridays, especially Lotto Fridays, they give you quick moves, yes. But, and this is what I'm saying, like, we got to be realistic. When I gave that trade for that Microsoft, that thing was like 108. I didn't get that motherfucker, they didn't give me that shit to 116. So, 8 damn things, 6 off and shit, like. And it went to like 130 something, 136 or some shit like that.
I got 12 watches on bus downs, ain't none of my shit playing. I got 20 watches on plain Jane.
It's gonna be so.
Yeah, you're looking at the truth, the money never lie, no. I'm the one, yeah. I'm the one early morning in the gun, know you wanna ride now. I'm the one, yeah. I'm the one, yeah. Hear you sick of all those other imitators. Don't let the only real one intimidate ya. See you watching, don't run out of time now. I'm the one, yeah. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'm the one,
Oh, so see how we're saying that indicator, we was here in yesterday's live, the candlesticks, it's live base. You just seen it had a hammer. It was wrong as hell. But it caught it. It realized it wasn't right. Because a hammer means I mean, unless it was let me take that back. It could have been a bearish hammer.
I make your dreams come true when you wake up. And your looks just the same without no makeup. Had to pull up.
So this is what I'm saying. And you can understand the Wicks, right? The Wicks is so important. They tried 3 times in the 5 minutes, like at least in the 15 minutes that we was open, to get into, and when I say they, me, the green team, the green candlesticks tried, but now it's falling. So what it do? So look over here, right here where my thing is at, on this side, and that's what we called yesterday. My thing is, and all this was, this little chop right here, this right here, all that bullcrap was yesterday. It was chopped cheesing during power hour. Like, so my thing is, like, are we going to drop and then replicate what we did? So not for nothing, that's why I tell people it be the same thing. You just gotta get that thing now. Ooh. Belt. Yeah, booty belt.
We don't got no label. She say she want bottles. She ain't got no table. She don't got no bed frame. She don't got no tables. We just watching Netflix. She ain't got no cable. Okay, don't look. I'm the plug for her. She want a nigga that pull her hair and want the dog for her. Baby, that's only me. That shit okay with me. Baby, okay.
You're looking at the truth, money never lie. No, I'm the one, yeah.
I'm the one, yeah. I'm thinking, Spot, do what you need to do. Oh, ew. But it's definitely chopped. Like, I mean, mind you, it's only 10 on 2. But I would expect more. Like, this is like dry.
Looking for the one, bitch, you looking at the one. I'm the best yet, and yet my best is yet to come.
Oh,
Looking for somebody, not just
looking at the one. I'm the best yet. My best is yet to come. Hey. But yeah, that was, and I wanted to kind of show that live. So when you do, what's that thing called? Lotto Friday. Which, like I said, you would have probably only get, like, depends on the move, especially if it's chopped. So a Lotto Friday, how you plan it off of a V, you would have got in. We waited like for 3, 1, 2, 3, and you would have. And let me explain that. By the time that third, you're getting in or trying to get in somewhere, that would have been 381. You would have got that baby from 381, 382, 383, 384, 385. So that is why it was crucial, which is why you see me, like, I was seeing it, and when it developed, this demand, the bulls, that's what made me know. But then it hits like right here, actually. Let me take this on. Don't you know? Yeah, this one makes sense. So what you just saw was me planning a real resistance line, and I'll make it red. I can still see the one for you. Don't you know, girl? Don't you know, girl? Oh, let me take this one up, like, so you're not confused. We're gonna hide this one for a minute. All right. Now, what made me make 386.01? And we're gonna make it gold, so you can see what I said. So usually I make my resistance line. That's TikTok. That's TikTok. TikTok. That's TikTok. So usually I make my resistance lines red, right? So 386.01. I just want to make sure that that line has been touched more than once, and I want to look at the wicks, or it could be the bar too. So it depends. So 386.01 was touched here. It don't have to be in the same trading session. It could have been like weeks ago, months ago. Sometimes you got to go back, sometimes you don't. So 386.01. And how do I know that? For my people that's new, if you look at right here to your left, follow me, cousins. Go to the left. Go to the left. Is that my right? No, your left, right? Your left. Now, you better go over here where you see this darn thing at the top. I don't know. It's right or left. It should be my left. I mean, your left. Yeah, right? You're right. I don't give a damn. What it tells you is you go to the top. It told you what the high is. So the high of that one was 386.03. I got 386.01. I'm good with it. If I go over here, the high on this one was 386.01. I got 386.01. So that right there lets me know it was touched at least twice. Boom. If it was touched twice, it was touched 3 times. If it was touched 3 times, just 4 times. I'm looking at Microsoft because, like I said, for me, did Microsoft go past what I said for the puts? We may just chop too, but we ain't gonna know. I always like the 1 hour candle to see what the hell going on. Because we may do exactly what we just did in this 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So in the next 25 minutes, we may come down and bounce right back up. So, now with SPY, the up and down, it's so much up and down. But it did open up this. So my thing is, we're going to drop that hole. I need to take these candlesticks off because I feel like it's a little bit too much. If you never learn about candlesticks, look at yesterday's live. I don't know what timestamp. Look at it, damn it. Because we talked about how you can learn candlesticks. We developed a new app. I didn't even know there was apps like that now. So I guess like how you had I had flashcards back in the day. Now it's like apps that tell you about candlesticks. It's a cheat code. Trust me, anything I tell you is a cheat code. Anybody that know. Like, I ain't bullshitting on some shit now. I ain't got no time to lie to you. So what I'm looking at is these green lines. This is support. Support's floor, meaning that it could go ahead and it could break that. So I can't go ahead, and I'm being honest. I can't just rush into the trade just because people watching, y'all want to trade. I mean, we don't do that. But my thing is, if we go ahead and if we're dropping, especially with SPY, we would know because VIX, you already know how we go. I mean, not drop it. If we're going up, VIX will let us know. If we're going down. So SPY. So look at it. It's his 4th time trying to get into this motherfucking goddamn box. It's trying with all his heart. They don't want that shit to go down. Oh, my damn. Ooh. They don't want to go down. Oh, my God. This is a big... Let me see what happened in 1 minute. Yeah, the 1 minute was a big... So if you're looking at SPY with me as you're seeing it, the 1 minute, we had a fair value gap right here. This green box, this little rectangle, we're going to call that. Fair value gap is like rockets. This will cause this. But we get right here. This next candle. Like, this was a big... This did this thing for 1 minute. But it wasn't big dog enough. It wasn't big boy enough. The next candle and how we... It wasn't damn. It was, I mean, the candle before that, because this candle right now is the current candle. But that candle would cause a spike just now. But then they're calling down. So you can see, so the green team and all we teach in regards towards our community is understanding these candlesticks and understanding what's going on. You feel me? They are designed to want to take your money. So I tell people, if you want to get in trade, you just want to trade, do that in paper trading environment. You know, every time you make money, the moment you make it and you go ahead and start trading and just getting into trades without planning them, you're risking your portfolio. You know, you're risking not going, you know. Like, we need to bust over 528, not 39. And even when we bust over that, it ain't going to be a bust. Ooh, pause. But you get what I'm trying to say. But, yo... Now, I know you like, what? You just gotta trust me on this. If this is, people that know. It's a rinse and repeat for me. So, PNG. So, what we doing, cousin? Shit. We trying to see what damn spot shot be. And actually, see, I don't do materials. Materials suck. The contracts don't move right. I probably don't do materials. The contracts don't, trust me. JPM probably went off. JPM, WFC, they probably gonna go off. That's what I'm saying. We gonna be Meta gonna go off. So we going off. We going off. So we about to do it. We about to do it. Hold up. Let's get to it. Say nah. So PG over 165.31. And if we get it at that, then we gotta go ahead and shoot. Oh my God. So once again, today's also, if it's chop, it's chop. Like we not doing that. We not doing that. We don't do that because we really don't like the Happy Meals. What we like to do, we like to trade that help pay the bills. Like everything went up, right back down. Like, bruh, like very indecisive price action, very choppy. You're seeing it. Do not if you're so tempted, you need is trading help. So some of y'all be feeling like y'all, they got a gambling anonymous. Like some of y'all need because y'all just want to trade. Don't do that shit. What we trading for? We gonna trade to get paid. Come on now. Let's not be greedy. And I ain't trying to get back to the needy. Cause I need it, goddammit. I need it. My thing is a gap up. We gotta go ahead and for PMG. We definitely got this gap up. It's a gap fill. I love a good gap fill. This is a I don't play a lot, but when I play it to play it. But for right now, getting back to we need VIX. Why the hell? I ain't know you could put an emoji in anything. Wow. Y'all seen it? VIX going. So VIX go up, we drop. We already know. Let me see. Let me go to the daily. That's what VIX feeling like. So after you go to the daily, go to the 4. Y'all see it's up and down. Stop playing. You got that 3. You got that 2. You got that 1. Yeah, VIX about to go. They keep going up and down. Yeah, it's about to do some shit. Yeah, we about to, cause you once again, if you've been just don't get mad because you decided not to watch and do your homework. Don't get mad. Don't get mad because you didn't listen when I tell you not to get or get out that trade. Don't get mad at me. What I teach you is the responsibility. No, for real. I taught and I teach how VIX is important. You know, the analysts use it, so we use it. We look at it, we study it, we understand it, we know what to do. So we understand that when VIX is up, we go down in the market. Right? When VIX is down in the market, then we go up. So we go ahead and we know and we could identify what the pattern is. Well, not so much I can say that, but we could definitely identify the choppiness. You know, we could tell you if it's chop, whatever. So my thing is, we went up, had a high, not a high, but went up and went back down and went like the moves are so sharp. It's only giving you sharp moves, and then my thing is like, what's the rush? Teach his own. Well, I'm not. See, not for nothing. Michael's fucking dumb ass soft. I'm trying to see what it puts. See, well, Microsoft, the move would have been on that smaller time frame. You should not be in like, especially looking at me. I told you I broke even on that. Like, What we doing is I'm praying for miracles. It's on the same day. Like, you need to be out that motherfucker. Listen, cousins. But here's my thing. Microsoft gonna drop or what? Because I feel like right where it hit this resistance, it's going to come right back down. But the thing is not like the bars. The Wix is trying though. I'm trying. Ooh, 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 ooh. All I do is think. Oh. If I was your best friend. Oh, I hate this. See, I was hoping this was done. But you can see, like, it's itching up. You see how over here on the red on this side, like, it's itching up. It's itching up. Like, it want to go, but it don't know. Like, no. But they want to chop it. Hey, this week has been some crazy shit. I don't care what nobody said. And you don't know it's been no crazy week. Why? I ain't mean to do that, y'all. What? And what I say? They trying. They is struggling. My team is struggling. You see they struggling. And it's like you just want to drop it. Because going up, it ain't going to be a straight shot. That's how I could tell sometimes. I could tell that, oh, we going up, we ain't going to have nothing blocking us. No. To go up, you can't go against the chart. It's a whole demand. I mean, it's a whole demand. A whole supply. The supply got open right here. This right here. And you got to realize, this is... Look at the volume at the bottom, bro. People that been here, that already been here. Well, you got 7K, 7 on spot. That shit is crazy. Y'all can keep that. I ain't got time for it. So what we doing with Test Easy? Because once you all going to drop, then it may just come back up. Like, nobody got time for that shit. Just say it. So Tessie broke. Oh, BOS. Break a structure. It was also support. So it dropped this hoe. But my thing is, because it's gonna. Oh, Tessie dropping hoe. Tessie gonna drop that motherfucker. Tessie dropping. Tessie didn't finish dropping? Oh, Tessie dropping. Tessie dropping. What we doing with Tessie? What we doing? What them things doing? What they looking like? Because woo. See, with Tessie, it goes against the grain of what I be teaching. That's what the guy does. It really does. Because if it's Sharpie again, then it's like, it's going to be a slow cook. Damn! It did all that while I was talking. Looking at the other screen. Oh, no, Tessie. So, Tessie, you can get a 150, 235 put. And don't you be sitting up here looking at every damn thing because the IV high and you really don't like it. And I really want to, you know what I'm saying? But that could be for today. You know, that could be for today. Because this is the thing, Tessie, I can't do y'all like that. So this is like, but Tessie got, what? Tessie got at least something going on with it. Tessie got something going on with it. Look how it's got. Bro, and this is a 1 minute, but even if we go to, I said 235, don't be asking me. I said the 235 on that Tessie Wessie. I'm trying to get that. Oh, I'm trying to get now. This is the thing. We may get a bounce, but we get a bounce because all I'm saying is we get to 245. It's over. It's over. It's over. It's over. It's over. It's over. We get to 245. I need you to know. I need you to know. The 235. I even. Well, so y'all may not want to do the 240. I understand you want to do the 240. But that 235, I don't like the 237.5. I really don't. Oh. You see it now. Let's go. Oh. Keep dropping. What you know? Oh. Hey. I told you. Let's go. Hey. Now, the reason why I don't like the ones, I mean, it's going to move to 232.5, but it don't, it's going to move. It's going to move, but I really don't like, I like the whole ones. So I don't really pick because everybody, and I'm the only one to notice that when it comes to, you seeing it. You seeing how the wicks is going straight through the demand. So sometimes if I can't get spot, Tessie, Wessie. I thought, didn't Tessie drop yesterday, though? Tessie didn't drop yesterday? Tessie didn't drop yesterday? She didn't drop on her own. She didn't. Oh, she didn't. Come on. She didn't. Hey, let's go. So that means what you call SPDR. Oh, makes sense. Makes sense now. That's what I'm telling you. Don't sleep on your freaking sectors. Because that means consumer discretionary. I think consumer. Yeah. So it makes sense why I dropped then. Hey. I said what I said. I said drop that. Oh. Drop it low. Down we go. Where you at? Stop playing. Stop gaming. Now, what I do is now I will go to the daily. Let me take off these things for now. What? Stop playing. The thing is dropping. Like, come on. 3. You had that ended. So, also, yesterday was mad. What was the drop? Wednesday? Oh, yesterday, Thursday. So, Thursday, it was moving up and down. Okay. 15. It's trying to aim for the previously daily low. You already know. I don't think you understand. I do this with any trade. Say, nah, that's my thing. Like, I'm not new to this, I'm true to this. I trade Tessie. I trade Netflix. I trade Meta. I could trade XPX. I do it all. If you got that 240 put, you gotta be up 38%. Stop playing with me. Why are you chasing? 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 I'm telling you. But once again, this is the same day. So, like, we may only get what we get. So you gotta understand that shit. But my goal is, I feel like it wants that 244. It wants that 244. Oh shit, I forgot. And see, the 239 is crazy. So this is the thing. You may go ahead and you see, it's gonna go up because we are sitting on a fucking demand. You fucking bitch. On a 5. Sitting on a damn demand on the 5, bro. I would like that. What's this? A 5 minute? I would like if that 5 minute would have went down and opened down and try to go with the wick. We about 10:30.
No matter how long it takes.
Cause my thing is 2:39. It's a wrap.
Spiraling up, just like a rich nigga staircase. No fly zone, they said to fuck in my airspace. Niggas said things on our backs, if they wouldn't dare say.
But see that support.
You know, working
You
the
fucking
Squarespace.
oh.
Top of the morning, I know that you thought I was dormant. Woke up early for shots that was
But my thing is, it get back underneath.
Cause somebody got popped, now they knocking on doors.
2:45. Come on. Hey.
Nigga, I'm starving immensely. Know when I'm done with these songs, you won't miss me. Jamarin, I'm on my grizzly. You niggas just cut.
So that is a weak low, meaning that it's a support. But this is also support. So 245.12, 244. Shit. 245.12, 244.62. It's a support. I need you to know. But see, we got that fucking supply zone. Like, stop playing. Stop playing. Stop playing. Did Microsoft go to the put side? Yeah, Microsoft for puts. That would have been. I mean, I fucking missed it. Didn't fucking move. I was trying to do the call side, but wait for. Nope. Right at that resistance of 386 would have been perfect for puts. Right there, when it hit there, and it hit the back. So I don't know if. But then you look at your SPDR, what they doing?
Swinging them motherfuckers side to side. We don't participate, ain't with that squashy shit. All we believe in is homicide. I got a good heart, so I seen teddy bears every
Technology barely moving. It makes sense.
I pray that my past ain't ahead of me between. When I'm in love, I love heavily. If you betray me, you dead in between. I disrespect you respectfully.
Now this is the thing with Tessie. Wessie. Tessie. I said Tessie.
I blame my pops for that shit, cause if he didn't fail, he could've corrected me. Give out the props to my mama, cause no matter what, she always protected me. I promise you, it ain't no checking me.
This is my thing. It's trying to go ahead and it's trying to. Also, anytime I do a Lotto Friday or whatever the case is, Lotto Friday is what they call it. But for me to cut a Lotto Friday, cause I'm getting in early. That's the thing too. It ends this week. It ends today. God damn it. So for me to do a Lotto Friday, my personal thing is I'm cutting. And usually, because the way I do it and how I do it, if you've seen it with Microsoft, you cut even. Well, you should have cut even. What the fuck you doing? Like, don't be sitting up here playing me. And then not only that, you get in a little. It's kind of like my XPX move sometimes, where either I get in early, like me standing in line, I'm getting in early. Like one day we got in on Wednesday was us getting in the morning. 2 times we're getting in the night before, power hour the day before. So, Tasty trying again.
I've been focusing on my businesses, cause they ain't my kids. I took off all my necklaces, cause see the plot twist. Magnificent preferences, you can tell by the letterman. I'm turned up on medicine. I'm still streaming pussy niggas show me.
Netflix making you, Netflix may go all the way down. Once again, I'm just looking at the other side. This is the other side. Ooh, and Netflix is only. Ooh. Let me see. Damn. Ooh. We make a lower low, so right. Cousins, look at Netflix. Keep your eyes on puts. That we dropping. We up 30. We up 36, 30, 38% on that Tessie. 43%. What I say? But we getting in demand, so it's going to be a fight. It's going to be a fight to the fight. I hate that. I hate that. Erase that. Gonna be a fight to the fight. Cause every time I hit the demand, it's gonna go right back up. And I would love to see. Let me see. That next one to go like, cause that 239 is gonna be crazy. So this is my thing. Cause you know how Tessie is. Let me see. Oh, and motherfucking G. You know what it do to right now. So because I was saying for me to cut something, it gotta be like a negative. I do like negative. Tessie, I do. Sometimes I do negative 20 for the same day. Usually for Tessie, I have cut Tessie at negative 50%. That's because of how it moves, and I'm so used to it. But that's bad. That's bad risk management. I would never tell nobody that for a regular trade. But for Tessie, if it's the same day, then probably like negative 20%, negative 25%. If I had to cut a same day lotto. Because the reason why people do the same day lotto is because it's supposed to be like volume there and everything. So we just got that hour candle. And the thing about I said SPY was gonna drop too. Because we knew about VIX. We knew this shit. Don't you be trading? This is trading shit. There you go. And this shit gonna drop. Hey. Oh. Hey.
Hey, we got touch, he gon' ride. You my slime, you gon' go on my prime. Hey, so I think I ain't telling you lies. When it come to business, I'm handling mine. Yeah, I'm keep face part of my time. Hey,
if VIX trying to go for the previous super high, if VIX goes up to 485, we dropping. You already know. But right now, it's so many. Slap it up and down.
Some say do what I say. People ain't choke my leg. Why say who these J's?
It's very chop.
Out of my wrist, counting and spin it. Mad at the coupe, my one no pin it. Chop out the top, hit it the limits. I got some cash, I wanna spend.
Oh.
Don't wanna rent it. Too many fads, too many bitches. Roll my slime, get in my liver. Better to slide, you just slip it.
So what did Tessie do?
Hey, we got ties, he gon' ride.
Tessie about to fucking piss me off. Damn, Tessie, what you doing, bitch? The Tessie pullbacks be so fucking crazy. Or pull-ups, depending on which way you going. So it's like, why was the demand created right here? Who fucking hell? And it changed the character. Yeah.
I say that shit every time. I got some rickety records, running through bitches like backpacks. I'm going number one this year. Right on that bitch, I'm in sixth gear. I'm on the joint, got no fear. Do all my dirt when it's raining. Wash away all the evidence. I got some.
So what I do, especially in this situation, don't get sick out. 4 hour we like, and when it comes towards the bulls, when I see the green, I'm like, So that's how you, like, not to get faked out, especially when you're in a position and you get out. Why get out the position negative 10%? Negative 5%? What? Don't get me wrong. Now, you know the position is not in your favor, but you should be looking at your chart. Don't get out negative 60% either. Like, you kind of know, like, I could tell you right now, just on me going, the bulls is there with these candles, but they not strong. At least not for me. Yeah, that 1 hour is still trying to do what it needs to do. But this is the problem. By 11, if I don't get the move I need to get, because it's a one day, it's the same day, you know, it's a weekly, and today, you know, it's a lotto. If I don't get this move I need to get by 11, the data, it won't matter.
We're so close, people thought we had a love like we loved each other way more than we love life. Still do. AJB. I used to be like, I don't need security. I don't want these niggas thinking that it's fearing me. Told my driver be on point, he wasn't hearing me. Them shots went off, I'm steady calling, you ain't answering, you scaring me. In my city, if you winning, you can't stay. They call being broke real, they call getting money fake. I gave you a bitch, why you still looking at my date? I gave you some food, why you still looking at my plate, nigga? They say they love us, but their love might be hate. I can't really tell the difference, salt and sugar look the same. Look how they did Dex, look how they did Blade. Look how they tried to do me, but got JB. Man, that jealousy so real, man, that hate so deep. Man, that give me shit so real, you make it off these streets, you saw it wasn't me. And still shot, what she do to you? You was just winning, now I'm crying.
Yo, it ain't no volume. Look at the volume. Look at the volume. Where is that yet? Hey, where everybody at? Hey, this nigga.
I wish I was sitting outside with you and I was in that bed with you. You know your favorite rapper wanna never let them guys get you. I would've shot them left from
We ain't got no volume on. No volume on. No volume. I'm up here looking at gold, y'all. I'm just. I know you like, why you looking at gold? Hey, cause ain't nothing else looking at shit. This I was there. I might as well put on a goddamn fucking support. This is crazy. Look at this. Look at this. Who wanna trade in that? Go ahead with your bad soul. Go ahead. Hard headed. And my thing is I hate when people like, oh, I could trade now. Okay. Because you could trade, I don't mean the market is tradable. Like, you gotta trade what the market gives you. What's Tessie doing? Hey. Alright, now we get into 11 o'clock. Well, not really. We just got to 10:30. I'm talking about now we get to 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock, 11:30. Like, this is some bullshit, like, for real. Oh, what's that thing called? What's that thing called? Oh. Let me tell you. Alright, so this is what happens. Like, this is not the best time to trade of the day. I keep saying this, but I like how this points out certain times of what can happen throughout the day. Nothing is written in gold and golden. You feel me? But I say that to understand how 9:30, 11 o'clock is great for scalping, even to like maybe 10:30. Reason being is because of the fact that it's supposed to be a high volatility time. Today, volume is low, especially on spot. Like, it's even up and down, like it's not even doing, like, you're up $3, you're down $4. So that's why people will be scalping, especially if you're looking at your V's. But you're only getting probably like 20, 30%, 25% moves. It's chopped cheese, as we say. You feel me? When it comes to breakout traders, that's what I'm saying. I can't say like, I'm not saying you have to be this type of trader, but understand that a breakout could happen at 10:30, 11 o'clock. Between that time, there's nothing guaranteed. Okay, so for example, what happened Wednesday with the market, none of this would have made sense. So this is not the Bible. When it comes towards that Tesla, you should be out. At Tesla, you ain't go. I should have got out at 48%. I'm so fucking mad. That's the thing. When you trading live, it's hard sometimes to close your positions, at least, or get into them at the right thing. But it is what it is. You can stay. I mean, you looking at the chart and you think something ain't. I ain't looking at it, so I'm just telling you right now. At 11 or 2 is when you can see where sometimes the things will reverse or it may stay the same. So we kind of have like, maybe if it was already red, it could go ahead and around my maybe 11 between 2 it could turn into green, or vice versa. It could be green and turn into red from my time to get to, or it could be nothing and chop. We never assume anything. We prepare for everything. But around 11 and 2, it gives you where either we're going to have a reversal most likely, is the trend going to be shown, or we may just go ahead and chop, you know. And then between 2 and 4, you know, it's kind of like calm at least till 3. So what I like about 2 and 3, I like to come ahead and I kind of like look at things at 3 o'clock. You get more volumes. My favorite hour is the power hour, the last hour of the day of the stock market. So that has volatility too. Not as much as the beginning, in my opinion. That's 9:30 and 9 o'clock. Especially that 9 o'clock through 9:30 is very volatile. So you want to go ahead and keep that in mind when you put those factors in. Once again, you trade with your plan, not based on what time it is, but you seeing your plan play out and you coincided with the different times of the day, especially if you use this and other people have used it, you would kind of see, or just note yourself, when you go ahead and look at your trades, you get in your trades, the time you got into your trades, you could go ahead and probably go ahead and see a repetition from that. So now what we doing with Spot? What we doing with Spot? What we doing with VIX? Man, this is choppy, yo. I tried twice. I'm not even it's a wrap. VIX, you dropping or what? So now VIX want to drop. What are we doing? This is so choppy. This is tough to make me want to get off the darn damn thing. What we doing? Ain't nothing to do. It's choppy. Yeah. Get it. Can't get it. Oh. No. My thing is, VIX is going to go up. VIX is going up. If we want to go down, it went down. It got to recover. I still think we got to recover what we did. We got to chop, though. That was a move. And not for nothing. I'm surprised we caught 200% yesterday. I'm surprised we caught that 200% yesterday. Because that move, I would have loved to catch it and got into puts Wednesday into Thursday. But it is indecisive. But this shit right here. What we doing? I don't like to trade like this. I don't try twice. Fuck that. You don't catch me. Don't be a dirty nigga. Some shit pop off, we did. But shit, ain't no shit popping off. But that Microsoft, that had went up. Tessie had went up. Well, you only went with that 48, 36, 38% move. And that's another thing, too, about Lotto Friday. People don't realize. Sometimes you gotta... with Lotto Friday, if there ain't no direction, it's chop. I should have realized that we was chopping. You gotta take them 38%, 40, because it's compounding. I tell people all the time, I felt, for me personally, every trader is different, but you compounding would get the name of the game of trading is not for you to have to keep on putting deposits in your account to trade. You should be using your profit, but in using that, you want to have risk management, which is very important. That some people, I felt like, I said yesterday, we looked at yesterday live, I was like, man, we could get in the call, but nah, it was no point, because I felt like we were going to chop. I called it this morning, I felt like we were going to chop. That move was so big that we got to chop. Not saying that we won't get something maybe later today, who knows, I don't know, I don't call it. But we got to chop. But when that next move happened, I just want the market to be open. Now, that was support at one point. So over here, look over here. We went up, boom, 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 went down. Look at 5-3-1-3-2-7. I'm on a 5 minute. 5-3-1-3-2-7. I'll say it again. 5. Say not. No, for real. 5-3-1-3-2-7 on a 5 minute with XPX. Right? That was a support over here. Look over here. That was a support. You got this burgundy box. That's your bullish. Your bearish fair value gap. That means it's down. And then when we get there, we go all the way down. Oh, shit. Hit support. When it hits support, it goes down. It hits another support. Goes down. We go all the way. Shit, we hit this support. which was resistance at one point, but it hit support. We go down. We go up. That becomes kind of resistance now. And what I'll do is I'll make it orange or yellow. So this becomes resistance. We go down. We get support right here. So this is how I do support and resistance. Your V's going to help you point them out. Because I knew there was a V. I knew there was a V right here. That's how that should be. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. Alright. This could be support too. Because both of them hit. And I made my support green. So what happened was it went, hit support, came back up, hit resistance. I make resistance red. It hits resistance. Boom. Boom. Now it's support because it goes above. So now it's the floor. So think about resistance being your floor. Resistance being your ceiling. And then support being your floor. It broke the floor. It broke another floor. It bounced from this floor. Boom, boom, boom. Some over here. It's some, I don't know if it's a resistance. Yeah, this is a resistance and a support. The volume ain't there. I don't know everybody. I mean, the volume a little bit there for. Oh shit, the volume there. Somebody woke up. Somebody said something. Now we moving. Cause it was 100K. Now we got in the millions. What we doing? What we doing? But this is still could be just a freaking, what's this shit called? Cause once they get here, what they gonna do when they get there? Are they gonna make it there?
Never falling. Why you making problems? I've been silent. Why you making problems? I'm a problem.
So this could be. So this gonna be that. So this is my thing. This is a retest. That means this line 526 would be like maybe what? It's third time.
I was trying to play it right.
Alright, this may go. So we going up. We going up. But you don't want to get stomped out either. What I mean by stomped out is like you good. You want to make sure the wish go through. So the next. And they got a bearish.
See me on the south side. I could tell you sick inside. She just wanna love me. She don't wanna leave me. She don't wanna love me.
526.72. 526.69, I should say. Are we going to get over that, or what are we doing? And this is the problem. A good zero DTE in me, in my opinion, you got to get it at the 945-ish, 10, like around this time. But how will you do that when it's choppy? Because a good zero DTE, you would have had something going, and you know what I'm saying? Unless you scalping. But it's just like you watching and we just waiting. And it's nothing that's like really making it pop. Look, if what you call is choppy, you know it's fucking thing won't be choppy. I feel like it is trying to make a high though. Fix. But you can. But it's just you need more than that. You need more than that. Well, we don't need more than Vicks. What I'm saying is we need some volume with that. We don't got enough volume. Why it look like that? It hurt my eyes. This is bullshit. Yo, somebody get me when we go through the block. Cause they free. Like, what y'all doing? I ain't never scared. Let's go through the block. Like, y'all going through, you're not. You're not, let's drop. Like, what we doing? What we doing? This was expected, though. And I'm gonna remove all the drawings so you can see what I'm talking about. I know this could look confusing to the naked eye. This, my group, we know what that is. We call that chopped cheesy cheese. But this was actually yesterday. This was yesterday around a power hour, our favorite hour. Y'all got a favorite hour now because I said so. Say now. But no, my favorite hour, the power hour. We was chopped cheesing. Because we like to get ready. We on it. We on it. Chopped cheesing it. Then we go ahead and we, you know, boom, 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 boom. And this was one of my people in my group was like, yo, we already down. Like, it ain't over till it's over. And then what they do? Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. And they didn't even want to let it stay there. By the time we opened, it was good. They didn't even want to let them calls stay there. They went boom, 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 all the calls down. But you gotta ride it better than a Tesla. And the thing is, it's setting up like, because this is my thing, we consolidate on both, of course, the VIX and of course Spot. It's gonna go down. It gonna went up too much, you know.
Back again, back to back, made back, stack the M's. Told him I miss Slim Shady, bag the M. Once he go black, he'll be back again. Tell him hoes that it's crunch time abdomen. Yes, I caught Mad Chanel and Mad Javin. She did it again, imagine them. About to make these bum bitches mad again. Uh-oh. Back to them. I lead the pack, so my back's to them. Yup, the queen's back, what's happening? Rerun, about to make these bitches rap again. Diamond chains on my ankle. Young money in the cut like a shank doll. Tell tip rubber bands on my bankroll.
Yo, today's price action is booty. I know they don't be out like that on a Friday, but damn, nigga, give me alone. Give me alone, no. And you should have cash accounts, not margins. That's the thing. I always gotta say that too. I trade margin, not margin. I don't trade margin unless I actually have to. So like meme coin leverage, futures, you gotta trade margin, which is why I do prop firms. But I don't really do margins, accounts when it comes to my option trading. And margin accounts to me is just leverage. I just don't like it. Oh. What we doing? Hey.
I needed some shit with some bop in it. I flew past the whip with that blunt in my mouth, watched it swerving. That whip had a cop in it. My bitch got good pussy, fly her across the country. I finished the show and I hop in it. I got me a milli, I did it legitly. I'm still with the shits, I'm a hot nigga. Oh, you asking for pictures with niggas? What's your name? Get the fuck out the spot, nigga. Tryna figure which deal I'ma take. I woke up, couple meal on my plate. I'm investing in real estate. I just went and gave my mama 100.
No, I did. I didn't give my mama 100. I did.
I'm a little bit different, they get it.
Oh shit.
Bitches, she did. Tryna find out why baby ain't all in the mentions. No, she ain't get no DM from me. Bitch, this rich nigga dick, it ain't free. She be throwing that at, yeah, she good at it. Turn around when we fuck, make her look at it. She like, I needed some shit with some bop in it. Let's go. I flew past the whip with that.
No, this is aggravating. Bro. Kill me now. No, don't kill me. No, I'm playing. Sweet baby Jesus, what are we doing? Did Microsoft do any, like, Microsoft probably was freaking choppy then. Oh my God. The best one was that, well, I mean, unless you got it from the high, you would have get a put. You would have got the 386, and it would talk you right back down. So 379. But I would have preferred to get it. And that bitch goes over 386 and went straight through 388. And then what really would have been great, after 388, would have hit the 389. Prime. But see, once again, I'm looking at it. So understand, short time frames, shorter moves. Big time frames, bigger moves. You pair both of them, you got a strategy. No, for real. Bigger time frame with a smaller time frame. Or what you want to do. I just like to look at it all and go from book. I mean, I go from the highest to the lowest. I went from daily to 4 hour. 4 hour went to 3 hour. See, that's what I'm saying. It was going 2 hour. And then we got stuck on that 1 hour. 1 hour when it was like, bitch, it's not going to do shit. And then that's what we've been doing for the last 15 minutes. Last 5, up and down. We literally went up and it went all the way down. So that 378.85, what we doing? And we've been going back from 378.85 to 383.89. 381.94 is another one. Support, resistance. Right here is support, it's the floor. But right here is like the resistance. Right here on this candlestick is the resistance. And that happens sometimes, a lot of times. And we're just looking at the candlesticks. This is called price action. Oh, Travis. Let's go. What Vic's doing? Cause I'm getting mad. Vic's wants the previous weekly high. It touched 45 already. It touched 45 5 minutes ago. Oh, at 10:15. 10:25. 10:20, it touched it. So we want to see. Is it going back to 10:40? Because this is my thing. With enough volume, we going. My thing is like, you see it, right? Are we going? I don't think we get to 52 today. But what the charts say, you may be getting XPX. Let me see what Monday was like. Cause I'm over today. I'm over. I can't. They got me fucked up. They got me fucked up. Oh shit! No! Oh god. Yo, my thing just froze on me. The good ones is 4 stack. Yo, don't nobody play XPX, yo. Like, y'all leave it alone. Cause y'all making me mad. Cause nobody was on that ticker. Now y'all everybody wanna be on it. And now you fucking up the damn prices. Tell everybody, go back. Like, don't come to XPX. I say that, but then I'll put up an XPX trade real quick. Like, oh! Damn, bro. Okay. But this is, ooh. This is so weird. This is so out. I wonder why it's like this. Damn. This is so out. I wonder why. So the 4,200 put for XPX for Monday, you gotta swing it through the weekend. And that's gonna be like... But let me tell you what I don't like. But it goes against 10% of my rule. Y'all know I'm about to say that IV is 91%. So once again, I don't give you call outs. I understand and help you understand. I understand how to go ahead and trade based on my chart, based on other confluences, meaning other things. So what is this? What is this? Because I'm not really feeling it.
What's up, though? What's wrong? I'm about to pull up on you right quick. You got a man. Fuck they got to do with me.
Yo, this sounds like some love song shit. Hold up. Okay, yeah. Oh, he tweeted. Somebody said another thing. Hold on. We gotta see what he's saying. The House and Senate should push hard. Come on, I gotta go on his thing. Okay, it's 11 o'clock. Russia has to get moving, dying. We are doing real well on our terror policy. Very excited for America. Alright.
Come here, let me smack it again. I heard you. You got a man. You love that nigga. You ain't gotta tell me again. I'm just trying to link and be nasty again.
Yeah, so that 4,200, that 4,300. Why is there so much volume on that motherfucker?
Remember your favorite hotel. I remember your favorite position. Let's go get a room. You in a relationship now? Come on, my baby. I know you. That ain't even you. You know I'm in tune. Let's go and get freaky. What you got to lose, my baby?
See, we got speakers at 11 though. So hold on. So just to let y'all know, if you're your first time here, what I'm looking at is the fact of VIX. So we look at VIX and understand VIX to know that when VIX go up, we go down in the stock market. It's not a stock. So only people think it's a stock, but it's a volatility. And it indicates regarding the volatility. So just to give you an idea, Thursday and Friday, and people that you new to this stream, welcome cousins. But on Thursday and Friday, you go back to those days, we had VIX at 60. If I'm lying, I'm flying. You know, now we're at 44. I'm trying to see if once that 45, 59 again. So what's going on is, I'm not getting anything because it's so choppy. But my thing is, if it's continuing, that VIX is going to go ahead and continue up. So my thing is that 4,300 put. I like to look at both sides. You put it somewhere. I'm gonna put it somewhere. That 4,300. I don't like. What's the point getting it if it's chopped? I need us to. First of all, I need to break 52. We need to get at least a 52.16. At least. We just got to 11. Once again, 11 is going to let me know. Are we going to have some direction? Like, are we going to get this dump? Like, what are we doing? What are we doing, people? What are we doing? And I know people that watch this, y'all don't be listening. I told you not to get in. And you probably got in anyway. But you don't listen. You don't listen. You don't listen. But that would be my thing. Like, we would... Like, let me see if we... Ooh! So you know what we do! Hold up, I got it. Wait, is that... I need that energy. I need it. I need y'all to freaking let them know what we do. I need to see Black Panthers of Crypto Wall Street. You better put up that BPCWS. Let them know we ain't like the rest. You feel me? Rock, goddamn it, we goddamn it, and not one of the damn best. So this is my thing. I don't go right away. I'm on a 5-minute, right? So I told you this was live and direct. Like we need to get back to at least 52,224. Like somewhere here, right? Somewhere here where this box is at right there. We need to get there. Now this is my thing. You see right there, we go ahead and with XPX, we go to 1 minute. That 52.16. So my thing is, when I do another one and drop, I'm in that hole. You ain't even gotta know. And this is the thing, like they think. But nah, for real, we definitely want to go ahead and 5224. Cause I really could see it just. What you want from me? I'm not what you need. What you want? You get what you want. And look at that needle. Look at that needle. Look at that candle. That's the candle wick. And just keep doing this shit. And that's just on 1 minute. So we just gonna see. I can't make this shit up. About to double. Yo, you already know I said what I said. What I say. Stop playing with me. We said what we said. But 4,300 put. That 4,200 put. This is not me telling you what to get in. This is me showing you the plan. So this is the thing, like, and this you're getting for Monday. And why? You gotta understand. Don't get that 4,000 put. I don't know what's going on. That 4,000 put is crazy. It's only $25. That's something. The spread too wide. That's a little bit too much. And I ain't even gonna hold you. The 43 and the 42 is crazy. But my thing is, if we gonna drop, we gonna drop. So what I like to do in a 1 minute, because it's too much noise in a 1 minute. I go on a 4 hour. Them candles for the green team ain't that big. Then I go to the 3 hour. Then I go to the 2 hour. Then I go to the 1 hour. That's what I'm saying. The move gonna be insane. 30. Cause he don't create all this goddamn shit. 15. 5. Yeah, on a 5 minute we gotta.
So much pride, you ain't gotta be proud of me. I'm a dog, you don't gotta lie to me. Feel like Pookie, that money keep calling me.
And I'm getting flow notifications for freaking oh yeah. I don't know what y'all doing. I got flow notifications. Now this is my thing. You could have got, if you wanted to. Wait, let me see something. So SPY, yeah, we going down. We get notifications on the damn inflows. Inflows is like order flows, orders. You don't see the demand popped up. Now, hold up, wait a minute. So for my XPY players, you got to get under 521. Under 521. 521.73, you look at it, but under 521. Under 521. Your XPX people. Why is it doing that? That is so crazy. Oh. I mean, erase all that. See, this is the thing. It's so choppy. Cousins, we got. Hold up, cousins. It is so fucking choppy. So we can't even get in like I want to get in. That candle did not do what I wanted to do. Shit. Which is why we gotta look at the contract. So this is the thing. We gotta, if it moves, I like the 43, I like the 42, but it's for Monday. I just said like, hey, okay, we it. False alarm. Fucking bitch. This is my thing. I want 523817. I want a break of 520140. I would love to, you know what I'm saying? But that little ain't, that's how I know that's a small move. See right there? That's your Happy Meals. Nobody want that shit. If we gonna drop, then this is what I like. I want to drop that. Oh, I'm gonna look. You keep going, and if I can get you right here to this one, okay, that's what's up. If I get you to 518223, that move right there for me is everything. If we get to that goal line, that yellow. That goal line. We get to that goal line and we can make it. We can make it do what it do. But personally, I would not. Don't you dare do a 0 day today. Like you see what happened. We did it one time with Microsoft. I couldn't even fucking sell this shit fast enough. It was 48% or 38%, some shit like that pop. And I'm about to get off this motherfuckers. You know, it's about to be 11 fucking 30. Like, it's 11 o'clock. It's like 2 hours already. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Hey. Oh. What's that? Alright, so what I'm telling cousin is, I'm about to get off. I'll be back for Power Hour. Shit is choppy. Anybody's looking at this and seeing chopped cheese, you want to expose and you just want to trade, please. Like, sign up. Like, what are you doing? Like, why are you doing that to yourself? Why are you doing that to your portfolio? Love your portfolio, and it will love you. Don't be freaking just... It's like you just want to expose your whole... Like, don't expose it. Don't expose your portfolio. You want to try to get out, do that shit on some paper trading. Like, well, let me get in first. Let me tell you what the fuck going on. Yeah, the fuck, like not. But yeah, chop cheese. You see it, man. Either we going over 53.12, but even like, so it's the thing. It's been trying so much. 52.98 is like important as hell. Put some alerts on that motherfucker. If it's getting over 5300 successfully, right now we just gonna be chopping. We in chop zone. Chop cheese. But this is my thing. I just got another alert from Cheddar Flow. The 30... And let me show y'all so y'all can see what the hell I'm talking about. You can use Twitter. You need to have a Twitter. Cheddar Flow. They used to have an actual show, too. I love Cheddar Flow. It was like a segment. I don't know what happened. So they just said that the 30 U.S. yield treasury... Once again, it's a 30-year yield. So basically, you put your money in, it's like a bond, right? So what they're saying is that just went ahead and rises to 4.9, and that's not good. They don't like that. So I'm saying, that's what I'm saying. If they don't like that, then shit. And this right here, they got out the money. So they got SPY calls all the way going to December. So they feel like SPY gonna be at these prices by December. So yeah, definitely, if you're not following Cheddar Flow, follow them, get them follow, put the alerts on, make a damn Twitter account. Like, bro, how you talking about you don't know what's going on? You're not where it needs to be known to what's going on. You gotta be where it's at. Bro, we ain't doing shit. What Microsoft doing? Did Tessie, I didn't even look back. I said fuck that. What's Tessie doing? Man, Tessie gonna move, but it's choppy. You fucking bitch. Excuse my language. And you know you wanna move, and you know you wanna drop your... But, you gotta chop. I'll be back. Let me get some breakfast or something. I'm hungry, y'all. Like, let me get something. Like, y'all, people in my group, look. I work hard to work hard for y'all. Alright? Keep y'all in them damn charges. Go to Discord. Somebody hit me up when some shit happens, alright? And I come back. Like, no. Because the bond's up. Just in case you make a tweet or something, we gotta be on everything. We gotta be on it. You gotta be on it. We gotta be on it. We gotta be on it. And next week is crazy because next week you got a lot of earners. You got Netflix. They report next week. Did Netflix do what I wanted to do? Damn, and I said Netflix was going to drop. Remember I said Netflix was dropping? Damn, that was the fucking one. Wait on Tessie, fucking dumbass. Netflix was the one on. Netflix was the one on. I said it. Netflix. So this is what's so important about Netflix. This is great. So thank God I didn't get off real quick. A whole supply. Now, this is really that it happens. So a supply zone came from this candle. This candle, wherever happened, was like, what the fuck? And this supply zone, this red, throwing like, it just was like, fuck your demand. Usually the buyer showed up. And it dropped. And it still could drop. We still probably got another $10 move. Hold on. But see, this contracts on them is so fucking... Was the contract shitty? That's what I'm like. Why we didn't get the contract was shitty, right? See, the contract so shitty. Itty. They get shitty. See, the contract shitty. See, 0 days, they would... Nigga. Yeah, this contract, that's why we getting... I'm like, why we didn't get this motherfucking contract so shitty? Man, he barely... Sometimes you worry about the things he can provide for you. Whenever you seem to come alive for you. It ain't worth it. The move was when I fucking said it. Why didn't I come back to Netflix? Cause that was the move right there. So if you ain't noticed anything, look back at all of this week's. And the week will be a little bit different in regards towards every week when we go into, the next trading stock week. So this week was crazy. But what you would notice is, right, and I've just been noticing from me looking back at the videos, you would see highs because of what be happening and everything went out. But then you're seeing it where you would catch it on the other side with it coming down. Look, like literally, it's like a mirror. Think of a mirror, and that is literally doing like a repeat. And that's the best way I can describe it. That ain't no method. That's what I'm just seeing because I studied this shit so much. So with that being said, you gotta look at it like that. And me personally, I would have loved to got it from that underneath the previous daily high. Cause I said it was going. That was a good drop. You got from 540 all the way to 910. That's like that's a good ass drop. Well, by the time it opened, sorry. So about 10 o'clock, it was a change, and then for like a whole hour, you would have got it. I won't be shocked if it validates this, and you seen it. It just went away. It literally went away. It was a demand. Now, would it validate this demand? It's the wick is trying to go. God knows it is. Not the type to snort the white lines. I mean the type that like the nighttime. I heard you got a man, but who in they right mind letting you out the house alone? Tell me, is your house a home? Why you in the club looking like you out the zone? I be the I don't know if you want to make a tweet or what. Put my number in it. Text a nigga when your man leave you unattended. On a scale from 1 to 10, the girls. That's a support. Why I say that? Right here. Low is 905.92, 905.94. I got 905.95. Good enough for me. See? The wick. Wick is important. The wick is trying to go. Bigger dreams. She's small with phone. I won't be surprised if it goes like shit goes down there. Club jumping don't stop on top, but you know we only go to 2 o'clock. Put your motherfucking hood up. It's the weekend. Drop that ass up and bitches get the freaking. Last call at the bar, ladies get a drink, nigga get some bars. Ain't no telling you gon' see that bitch tomorrow. Stop holding up the wall, waiting for the right song. Now Tessie coming back. This fucking motherfucker. I mean, because I said alert. I just got the thing. You wait for me. Oh, Tessie opened a 5. Wait for me. When you can wait for me. I'm here, promise never. I can do no promises. If you want, nigga. Oh. I said it. Tessie at 242. What you gonna do, ho? Tessie at 242 is gonna be really important. So that's what I'm saying. You get it. You only get in like small move. That's the thing. XPX wanna drop. It already did what we needed to do. But entries matter for that. What you call? Cause my thing, no point of it dropping and then you gonna bounce right there. That's gonna be so stupid. You kind of want to wait until we get somewhere like, you know, underneath this. If we can get that. And like I said, them bonds being almost 5%, they don't like when the bonds go up. That's one thing I learned this week. I was already learning about bonds, but damn it, they don't like that shit. No, we need to know, like, what he doing, where we going. That's why I like to plan it, like, well, what's gonna be the upside? Hell if I know. Okay, now, outside, I mean, that's the thing, when it comes towards playing the trade too, it's kind of like, you gotta, like, we gauge the prices, you know. So we was a 2 the upside. It would definitely be it won't be a 0 day. Definitely was a 3 for Monday, but you won't hold it till Monday though. But the contract probably don't even look right. Probably all fucked up. Cause they fucked up premiums. Look, when it gets to XPX, a 0 day, you don't. This is why, trust me, if I could, I would. It's like, it's no point. Especially on a Friday, in my opinion. See, on the flip side, even for Monday, them calls, they're gonna call. Them things is clucking. Like the cheapest one I'm seeing is 500. That's a lot of the bendo. See, I don't be spending like that. I don't know about. I could spend like that, but fuck that. Oh, it's crazy how FPS is doing. Like, what are we doing? Well, I've been down since aggravating. Where's Dick's at? Don't do it every time, man. I wanna press my line, yeah. I wanna press my. I wanna green like I wanna be like I wanna press my line, yeah. I wanna take that back, yeah. I'm gonna press my line. I wanna green like I wanna be like I wanna press my mama dear, spare your feelings, I relive a moment, feeling more residual. This is the thing, this drop, we're gonna really drop. Again, it go all the way to 40, so that'd be another $3 move for another bounce. Like, this is ridiculous. I can pick your brain and put your heart together. We depart the shady parts and party hard. The diamond shows the cool forever. My best shot, you might shoot forever. Like, this was once every time. Support or. Yeah, look what we're doing, bro. What we doing? Yeah, I see y'all back at 3. We staying here at 11:30. It was like 2 hours. Like, come on now. Alright, love y'all cousins.